Hey everybody, Gary with Best Camp Trading. Take a look at the ES today, and I used to know a guy, his name was Don Kaufman, and he would always say, and the ES today was massively unchanged. But that really kind of describes the day today. This was our opening bar on the ES. This is our 30-minute chart. This was our opening bar, and you see that the market opened at 40.6150 in the market currently, and we're just literally 2 minutes before the bell here at 40.6150. I mean, we've traded all day and really have finished the day pretty much unchanged. However, inside that we did get a couple of trading opportunities. We had this bull flag right here that triggered on the market open and got a little push. Wasn't a big move, but our target was the overnight high at 40.7450, and we ran up to that. And then you can see that really stayed as resistance for the day. Pushed up there and we ran up to it a couple times, even poked through it a couple times, but just didn't stay. Went into a little compression here that gave you a trade opportunity, and then right at the end of the day we had another small trade opportunity out of compression. And this is what that looked like on the Renko chart. Here's our chart this morning. And we drew our initial compression line in right here. We had a pivot low right there at 40.56 and a quarter. We had a pivot high right there at 40.66 and a half, and we caught a breakout trade right there. We actually had an opportunity to maybe hit that a little early, because right in here is where that bull flag was triggering, and we were making a wick out of the cloud with two higher lows in a row inside the compression. So you had an opportunity to take the wick out of the cloud on the 30-minute bull flag trigger if you wanted to be more conservative, because we had been chopping, you wait for the breakout. But we had a nice opportunity on the breakout as well. The breakout occurred above 40.6650, and again our target was 40.7450, which we ran up and hit. So potential to grab $800 per contract on that initial channel break. And then we went into compression sideways, and then we broke out of that below the smooth 50 and below the cloud, and you had a chance to grab $300 per contract on that compression break. And then we chopped sideways again, and then right into the end of the day we had another channel. We had this power line up here, we had a pivot low right there at 40.62 and a half, and we broke out of that for the opportunity to grab another just a couple $100 per contract. Again, very narrow range day in the ES, not a lot of movement, and again, as you can see, we're pretty much gonna finish unchanged. The bell just rang, finished right around 40.64, opened at 40.61-ish, and yeah, just 3-point difference in the ES for today after the whole day was done. So, but that's okay. Setting up an inside day for potentially a larger move tomorrow.